I want to do a quick review for you of these dryer vent cleaner attachments. These are partly designed to attach onto your vacuum, but also to be used on their own. So the dryer vents, okay, whether it's the vent that leads all the way outside and is vented outside, it's got a little brush here to be able to clean that vent off. You can see with the bristles, they're very hard yet sturdy, so they're gonna be able to scrub and clean and really grab onto things that you might not be able to reach with your hands or clean off just by brushing them. Then we've got these bristly brushes. They're bristly yet they're soft. They don't hurt, to touch. So these are going to allow you to be able to clean up inside the vent. But also the part I love is that it comes with a couple different options of lengths. This one could reach longer. This one I would even use for cleaning out the lint compartment of your dryer. So I clean out the lint between loads, of course, but down where the lint screen goes, there's always dust, there's always lint collected, even things that fall down there that you don't even know what they are because you just heard something fall. I'm gonna love using this to be able to clean that and to reach down. This is an attachment that's gonna go on the end of your vacuum as well. Most vacuums are come with an attachment that's a really narrow end, so you can stick this on to extend even farther. A very flexible hose. I do like that it's a little bit translucent so that you could even see if you're sucking up something that you didn't want to suck up, right? And you can see through it and you'll be able to know when it is working. So we've got a shorter brush, we've got our hose attachment, we've got a longer brush for more reach, and then we've got the more sturdy bristly brush to be able to really scrub and get at parts. So cleaning out your dryer is important for safety. If you've got things stuck in there, the dryer does get quite warm, and so you want to make sure that that lint compartment is cleaned out, not only the screen but the compartment itself, but also vented out to outside to make sure that all that dust and debris is getting out and filtering outside of your house just to be healthier and to be safer. So hope this helped.